Keiko Furoshiki can make gift wrapping so much fun. Bin Tsutsumi is perfect for wrapping 2 bottles or cans of soda. Lay a furoshiki with the printed side down and turn it diagonally with one corner facing you. Place 2 cans in the center and lay them down, each pointing towards the corner. Make sure you leave enough space between them. Take the corner of the furoshiki and drape it over the cans. Start rolling them with the fabric all the way to the other corner. Hold the 2 ends of your furoshiki as you keep the wrapped cans in an upright position. Make a bow and adjust the fabric.